tutorial how to correct or modify a text over a menu. As you can see, here is my website and here is my menu. I have a mistake in the word contact, so I would like to modify that text. So I'm going to click on the menu, on the component of the menu. I'm gonna click on edit menu, and as you can see, if you go over with your mouse over the different options of your menu, it shows different options, and we are going to click on the pencil, the first one. Now it's going to let me modify my text. It was a small mistake, I change it, and then I'm going to click on enter or another click outside. And that's pretty much how you modify, correct a text in your menu of Lalilala.